So far we have in this playlist we have covered select statements, filtering, we have covered grouping, we have covered joins, we have covered unions, we have covered subqueries, we have covered a lot of things. Do you get? So in today's episode, we'll be moving into something extremely important for real data analysts. Do you get? For real data analysis, it's very important. We use it very well, especially in data cleaning. Do you get what I'm saying? And we call it the string functions. Do you get? So in real world data sets, text is often messy. You know about that now. So you may have extra spaces, sometimes inconsistent formatting, sometimes unwanted characters, and every. So MySQL now provides powerful string functions that will help us clean and manipulate that text data before we analyze. Do you get what I'm saying? So first and foremost, we'll be entering the concat, which is like combining text, which is like combining. So we say concat, that's combining. Concat is for combining texts. You get? So one common task when working with text data is combining columns together. You know about that. For example, if you want to combine first name and last name together, do you get what I'm saying? So you use the concatenate. Let me see something. So let me get a data set, select everything from customers. Okay, let's see. Alright, these are customers table. Now I want to concatenate the customer name and the city together. I want to like join two of them. So select who concatenate a join customer name, then space. This is the concatenation, like what to be in between. And then the second part, last name. The last name was city, sorry. Okay, I think customer to city from the customers table. Let's do it like this. Alright, can you see? Okay, we not give enough space. That's why. So we'll run this. Can you see? We join them together. Customer to city, John, Lagos, Abuja, Mary, Abuja, rather. So you can see. So this creates a new column called the customer to system. That's the new column I used as list. Do you get? So that's how it works. Do you get? So move on to the next. Sorry about that. Which is the upper and lower. So you know what we use this one for. So sometimes text formatting is inconsistent. You get? So some name may be lowercase and others may be uppercase. So we can standardize them using this upper and lower. Do you get what I'm saying? We can standardize them using upper and lower. So you can see this John, Lagos, and all of that. So if we say we select from here again, let's say we want to select from here again. Select from here. You get? Select from here. Now I want to make this city. No, make the names uppercase and then the city lowercase. Do you get? The city lowercase. We can do that. Do you get? So we'll say select. So we'll say upper, the name, customer name as upper name, then lower city as velocity, and then we'll say from our data sets, and that's it. So run this, and then this will be number two. And you see the whole of this place, John, Mary, Paul, they're not in capital letter, and this part is in lowercase. Do you get what I'm saying? Now we move on to the next, which is the next string function length. Length. So this is very important. Sometimes we want to analyze the strength, the length of text entries. Do you get? So we want to know how long it is. So this is the syntax we use, and it's very, very, very essential. So we say we select the name. Was it name? Let me select customers again. Let me see what it entails. Okay, customer name. Select customer name. Customer name. Okay, so now I want to select the length of the name. Select customer name. Now I want to select the length of the name so you can see length of customer name. Okay, as name length. Okay, from our customers table. This should do. How am I highlighting? So see, select. Alright, see, can you see the name length? John 4, Mary 4, Rita, David, only David 5. So that's it. So this tells us how many characters exist in a particular string. So we'll move on to the next. Very, very easy. Next one should be replace. Replace. Okay. So this is another useful function called the replace. It allows us to like swap characters or words. Like if we want to exchange it to replace it with a particular name. Do you get what I'm saying? So we can replace a lot of things. Do you get? So you can say select replace John. So we can say replace John. Replace John with replace John with okay, no. Replace customer name, comma John. Or am I no, replace customer name here, John with fortune. This should do. Let's see. It don't work. Okay. Let's join with fortune. Where where customer from am I dreaming? Hmm, I'm dreaming. Replace there's an update function, but let's go replace customer name, customer name. But you have to be like careful so that you will alter the table. Replace customer name, John. Replace it with what? Fortune. Now we'll have to roll back, update how to update the table. So update customers table. So we'll say set. I have to set So I'm trying to replace this with that. Do you get what I'm saying? No, sets. No, customer name, yeah. Yes, worked. But we'll have to like see it and roll back. I'm telling you. So let's go and select it. So this is, can you see where it was before? It has been, so see roll back. So I rolled back and let's go back. Oh, still showing fortune. It did not roll back. Oh, transaction. This is transaction. It couldn't roll back. Sorry guys. We we messed up our data, but as you can see, it's it has been replaced with fortune. So that's literally what I'm trying to show you now. So we can replace now. We can now replace fortune back to John. Back to John. Easy. Now try and run this. Run this. Boom. Back to John. As easy as that. So this will replace the word there with the word you put. So now the next one is the trim. Like we want to remove spaces. You get, so that's the next one. Trim. I loved it because it helps me clear up spaces, a lot of spaces though, a lot. And I love it so much. So this should be trim. So we have a lot of that. Many text was trim and all of that. We have the left and the right. But we're looking at it now. So let's say there were spaces here. So it will trim it. It will remove all the extra spaces there. Let's say replace John. Replace John. Replace Fortune. Okay, let's see. Let's do this one for me. They'll say there's no place as. Okay. Let's, I want to alter the data share. Let's start the try one and do. Let's come in and say updates John. Let's change it to John space. Let's go and update it. Now this should have been done. When we run this, can I see John double spaces here? Can I see there'll be like a lot of space? Or let's do, okay, let's now we'll say trim. So we can now select, let's trim it. I know you may not see it, but I'll do it at the front next time. Select trim. Okay, let me make it more obvious. I'll do John with this. So let's go and select everything from the database and see. Okay, can you see the space has shown? So now we'll say trim. Select, we trim it. We trim the customer name. We'll trim the customer name and all of that. So it will literally do everything on that column when you run it. And then we'll select everything from the customers table. Sorry, my voice is not loud today. Why do you not trim? It's meant to trim. Okay, chill. It's since you use updates, set it. So we'll trim this. This should work now. Can you see? Back. Everything has gone back to its normal position. So now there's something I want to show you. There's what you call trail when trimming. There's what you call trail when trimming. Do you get? So it's an important aspect. An important aspect on in trimming and data cleaning. Do you get? So it's very easy. Very easy. So trail is removing after, then leading is before or after, but trailing is after. So let's say we want to replace John. Let's say we want to replace this John with John double full stop. Okay, so update this. So now this is what it shows. So now I think it will change John double dot. I think so, yes. John, now we want to trim it. We want to trim and trail. I'm using leading as well. So you say we want to update now. Update customers. Then we'll set customer name equal to trim. Then we'll say leading. Leading what? What are we leading? A full stop. Okay. So we're leading the full stop from what? From the customer name. That's all. That's literally all. Let's see how it goes. What did he do? Let me see the feature on error. Yeah. Since he's run it once. Okay, sorry. We're leading this. Is it leading or trailing? I'm sorry, I'm making. I think leading is for before, trailing is after. So that's what it does. Leading is before, trailing is after. Sorry about that. We lead the space. We lead the space, leading space. We can lead space. This should remove the space. Sorry about that, guys. Yes, this has removed the space. Then trailing. Trailing is after. Trailing is after. Trailing is after. This is trailing. Trailing. Double dot. Yeah, this will work. Now let's select everything from customers table. Yes, removed it one hand. So leading, trailing, they are both removal of unwanted characters from your text and all that. So we use it in removing unwanted character from your text. So It's very, 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 very important. So the next one will go, I think is the sixth one, is the like. So we use like to find all the used to search, and extremely important to use to search from the list of strings or characters. Do you get? So we want to say something like this, like want to say select everything from the customers where first name or customer's name is like. Do you get what I'm saying? It has, there's what you call the percentage. Percentage means it's as this, and then we use percentage. That means we use percentage in determining whether there are characters before or after. So if we say there are characters after, we mention like P, okay, then percentage. This tells that there are many other characters after. Do you get? There are other characters after. So you might bring out only Paul. Unknown customer name. Customer name, sorry. Alright, see, can you see? Brought out only Paul because it's just like P out of that. So let me put where city, so that it's city is like L. To bring out only Lagos. Only Lagos. Because only Lagos has L on. So now, if you say like A, and then if you put double, like a percentage mark before and after, that means it tells you that there were characters before A and there are characters after the A. So you just bring out anything that has A in it. So it runs every. I think only number 4 does not have city that there is A. So you see Abuja, whether there are characters after or before, it returns it. So you get. But if you say characters only before, not after, I think it might bring out only Abuja. Can I say only Abuja? That's the last A. There are characters only before and after. Do you get what I'm saying? So that's literally how it works. That's how it works. So very, 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 very important. Now, if you want to make it exactly only one character before, you do something like this. I want to bring out only Abuja. So you say only one character before B. And that's what. And then there are characters after. And to bring out only what? Abuja. Exactly only one character before. Only one character before. If you want to do it for A, and then there are other characters, it bring out only Lagos. Bring out Lagos, yeah, I think, yeah. Do you understand what I'm saying? So, and then the next one is, which is the last, I think, yes. String to date. String to date. This one is very, 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 very important. It's used to convert a string to date. Do you get? So let's say select everything from the others table. Let's see if we can select everything from others table. So this is other dates. Let's say we want to convert. How do I? Okay, it's already in date format. Let me just show you something. Say select string to date. I want to show you how it looks. 12.03.2024. So this is how it works. Now I want to convert it to date. So this, let me just show you how it works. This is it. Say percentage D. We'll use all these things for data cleaning on my data cleaning project. Percentage M, small letter M. And then the last one is percentage capital letter Y, uppercase Y. Why? Because that's how it should be. So Convert this our string to day, month, and year. And this way, has converted it. Now this is a date. It's no longer a string. Do you get what I'm saying? So that's how literally how it works. So you can find your column in that table. You write string to dates. That particular column, like our date column in the others. Our date column in the others. Other date. Other date. Then day, months, and year. I see this one did year, month, and day. Now, I want it to be day, month, and year. Other day. Why is this in from others? Sorry. From others. Or others table. This works. Why is it showing? Okay. Probably is already on date format. That's why. So, it's not like on, it's not on string format. So, check the, it's already on date format. So that's literally what happened. So this is how it works. That's what I'm saying. So there are other various string. Okay, I think I've not talked about one, which is the substring. I think I need to include the substring. Substring is like removing part of a string. That's just literally how it works. Substring, removing part of a string. So if you want to remove just part of the string, you just the part you want. Do you get substring? So that's literally how it works. So we have a full product, right? We have products. We have the products. We say select substring of products. Come on. We just want to remove from sneakers, right? Or from T. Let's write T-shirt. So we want to remove the first, that's T, the T and dot. So the first to the second. Okay. Where am I alright? I see. Selected only the T where the product is T-shirt. Can I see? We're just bringing down. You see, there'll be other products at T, T, T. So we brought out only one and two. So we want only the shirts. So you count T minus T as 1, 2. So we want shirts. Now starting from 3, 3, 3 to the end as SHIRT. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 to 8, I think. Yeah. I think this works, yes. Can I see? Only shirts. He brought out only shirts. So that's literally how it works. Then there's left and right string. So count from the left, count from the right. So we are counting from the left. Let's say selecting from the left, turning the substring from the left. From the left, return only 2. Starting from the left, return only the T. Here, return T. Now, Also, can do from right as well. These are substrings functions. Can do for right. Then return 5. I think that will give us shirt from the right. Return 5 on the right. That should give us shirt. So that's it. That's literally it. So this is the end of the lesson. So you know that string functions are extremely important when cleaning and preparing data for data analysis. And also in real world data sets, now you know you have seen them, you have analyzed them, we have worked on it. So text data is really, really perfect. And these functions, they help us to transform messy text data into usable information. So in our next video, we'll explore one of the most important MySQL tool. So we use the case when statement and all of that. By then, you should have be ready for the next video. So please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Like my videos, engage, please, so that I'll be motivated to create the next one. So thank you very much. I love you all. Please comment on anything you do not understand. I'll be very, very, very happy to help out. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Watch my videos to the end. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.